Inaprubahan na ng Davao City Council ang bagong Comprehensive Anti-Smoking Ordinance sa lungsod. Napapaloob sa nasabing ordinansa ang mas striktong implementasyon ng Anti-Smoking Ordinance tulad ng pagtatanggal ng mga smoking area sa loob ng mga establishmento.
And isa sa mga relevant legislative ordinance na pinasa po ng Lungsod ng Davao, mga councilors, and during the time of President Rudy Duterte, Mayor Rudy Duterte dito, is a Davao City Ordinance in the year 2002 which bans smoking. Nagbabawal pong magsigarilyo, vaping, electronic na lumalabas yung uso in all public places, including streets, mga kalsada, parks, and transportation. Pag nakasakay ka, bawal. Kasi dati, tumatakbo yung jeep, yung katabi mo nagasigarilyo, minsan matamaan ang mata mo, baho. Dati, anywhere, pag nagsigarilyo, tapon sa kalsada, tapon doon, tingnan mo yung mga gutter para yung mga upos or yung waste ng cigarettes. At madumi at mabaho po. At saka nakakasuffocate pagpasok mo yung mga damit mo parang may nakadikit na naamoy ng sigarilyo. Restaurant, pag nagsigarilyo dati, pag tumama yung electric fan, tinatamaan yung ibang tables, no? So, minsan nagkakaroon ng problema. Yun yung social aspect. Yung health aspect naman, talagang nakakasakit, no? Yung rhinitis, sinus, at saka nakakasira ng lungs. Sa Bisaya pa, baga, kasi kang sigarilyo, nakakasira ng tooth dito. Then, mabaho, no? Nakakasira ng ngipin and among others. Yung social naman, nagkakaroon ng social disorder, minsan it will create, away, problema dahil lang sa sigarilyo. And financial aspect. Kasi instead na ibili mo ng bigas, binibili mo na ng sigarilyo. Pag uwi mo ng bahay, nagsasigarilyo ka, meron kang apo, may anak ka. So lahat yan nakaka-contaminate. And because of this, during the time of Mayor Rudy Duterte, he encourages us to put order on this kasi maraming reklamo sa kanyang opisina tungkol sa smoking. And he encourages us to pass an ordinance banning smoking or anti-smoking ordinance in public places in the year pa 2002. So ano na yun? 2026. Matagal na, no? 2002. And in that ordinance, we also include for the airlines to announce. So yung lilipad dito sa Lungsod ng Davao, pag nakasakay ka ng aeroplano yan, nagsasabi siya, this is to announce of the no smoking ordinance in the city of Davao. Prohibited in all public places, parks, streets, and among others, as provided in the Davao City Ordinance. So binabawal po dito sa Lungsod ng Davao mag-sigarilyo. So the first penalty at the time is 3,000 pesos with penalty scaling up to 5,000 pesos and improves imprisonment for repeat offenses. Yung elements ng coverage ng ordinance, public places, including enclosed and partially enclosed areas, so opisina, workplaces, and public utility vehicles, bawal po ang magsigarilyo. Prohibited areas, smoking is strictly forbidden within 100 meters of school. So kung merong eskwelahan dyan, 100 meters, bawal po. Hospitals and other designated areas. Vaping restriction, the ban also applies to electronic cigarettes pala and vaping devices. Minors are prohibited from entering designated smoking and vaping areas. For example, may mga kabataan, you are not allowed to enter doon sa designated area kasi makita mo, meron isang mall, meron parang parking area doon, lahat doon lang magsigarilyo. Hindi naman talaga totally bawal, pero may designated areas or area, depende sa dami or areas. Bawal doon pumunta yung mga kabataan. The Davao City Vice Regulation Unit conduct daily 24/7 operation and inspection to catch violators with over 3,400 operation made in 1 year by the year 2024. 3,400 ang na-penalize. First offense, 1,000. Second offense, 2,000 pesos and fine, or third offense, 5,000 pesos fine and imprisonment. Now, sinunod ito ng iba-ibang cities, no? May nakita kong Baguio, Valenzuela, sinunod ito. Dahil nung naging presidente si President Rudy, ginawa na ito parang national in some areas regulated by the Department of Interior and Local Government. The first ever local government units that passed that ordinance is the City of Davao. I was part of it. Membro na po ako ng city council doon. And at that time, people are saying, alam mo, Councilor Dayang Hirang, ang daming hindi nabubuto sa'yo, yung mga nagasigarilyo. Pero panalo pa rin tayo. And there, tuloy-tuloy na. The people of Davao found out na this is very beneficial financially, kasi yung husband mo at saka yung mga naninigarilyo, hindi na magsisigarilyo. The other one, yung for health reason, of course, nakakatulong dahil hindi ka nagsisigarilyo, hindi nakakasira ng katawan. Social, community, hindi ka makakadispose mo sa kapwa-tao. So, napakaganda po ng Pilipinas, patatalino ng Pilipino. Ang kailangan na natin ay magkaisa, tulungan natin ang ating gobyerno, magtulungan po tayo. And let's continue praying. Magdasal po tayo na yung mga nasa gobyerno makinig naman. Listen. Because kayo yung aming yung taxes namin, sinisweldo natin dito sa mga government officials. So we hope that they will reciprocate by listening also and to make sure that the rules of law applies to all. Hindi lang yun dahil kalaban mo sa politika, ipitin mo ito. Yung lahat dapat. Equally, everybody should be treated well. So congratulations. It is started in the city of Davao under the leadership of Mayor Rudy Duterte, becomes the president. It applies the entire country, yung no smoking ordinance. God bless Philippines. This is Councilor Danny Dayang Hirang from Davao City. Ang ganda ng Pilipinas. Malin po natin ito. God bless Philippines and bye-bye for now.
A political analyst, Danny Dayang Hirang, shares his commentaries and analysis on the latest issues. As a veteran public servant, offering his insights and critical thinking. As an educator, he speaks the truth that matters. Our seasoned legislator, Danny Dayang Hirang, is live every Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays at 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. via Facebook. Follow us on our social media platforms for more details. Mahalin natin ang Pilipinas.